Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. If you're thinking about starting a career or launching a business in the pest control industry in the state of New York, obtaining the proper certification is one of the most important steps you'll need to take. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about New York pesticide certification, including the different certification levels, eligibility requirements, training requirements, examination information, fees, and the steps required to become a certified commercial pesticide applicator. In the state of New York, pesticide certification and licensing are regulated by the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, commonly known as the NYSDEC. Certification, licensing, enforcement, and pesticide regulation are administered through the department's Bureau of Pesticides Management. New York divides commercial pesticide application into numerous categories based on the type of work being performed. The category most commonly associated with structural pest control is Category 7A, structural and rodent control. This category covers many of the pest management services performed in residential and commercial buildings, including the treatment of ants, cockroaches, spiders, rodents, bedbugs, fleas, stored product pests, and many other common structural pests. Additional structural categories include Category 7B, termite control, Category 7C, fumigation. Most individuals entering the pest control industry in New York begin as apprentices working under the supervision of a certified commercial pesticide applicator. Apprentices are not certified by the state, but gain practical experience while receiving employer-provided training. Training typically covers pesticide safety, personal protective equipment, pesticide labels, integrated pest management principles, environmental protection, pesticide laws and regulations, application equipment, calibration, mixing procedures, spill response, customer communication, and proper pesticide handling techniques. Most employers provide this instruction through classroom training, ride-along field experience, safety meetings, hands-on demonstrations, and structured mentoring programs. The first state-issued credential available in New York is the Certified Commercial Pesticide Technician Certification. To qualify for technician certification, applicants must be at least 17 years of age and meet one of several eligibility requirements. Most applicants qualify by successfully completing a New York State Department of Environmental Conservation approved 30-hour pesticide training course. Applicants may also qualify by earning an associate or bachelor's degree in an approved field of study, or by documenting 2 years of verifiable experience as an apprentice. Once eligible, applicants must pass both the New York Core Examination and the appropriate category examination for the type of pesticide work they intend to perform. The Core Examination evaluates an applicant's knowledge of pesticide laws and regulations, pesticide labels, environmental protection, integrated pest management, pesticide safety, application equipment, storage and transportation requirements, pesticide disposal, and personal protective equipment. The category examination evaluates the applicant's knowledge of the specific type of pesticide work they intend to perform. Structural pest management professionals most commonly pursue Category 7A, structural and rodent control. Individuals who perform termite treatments frequently obtain Category 7B, termite control certification as well. New York certification examinations consist of two 50-question examinations. The core examination is a closed-book multiple-choice exam. The category examination is an open-book multiple-choice exam. Applicants must achieve a score of at least 70% on both examinations to pass. Certification examinations are currently offered through the New York State Pesticide Administration database, commonly known as NYSPAD. Applicants register online through the NYSPAD portal, where they can schedule available examination dates, locations, and testing formats. New York currently offers several examination options. Applicants may take remotely proctored online examinations from home, computer-based examinations at approved testing centers, or paper examinations offered on a limited basis at selected Department of Environmental Conservation regional offices. The examination fee is currently $100 for each examination. After successfully passing the core and category examinations and meeting all eligibility requirements, applicants submit their certification application to the department. Once approved, the department issues an invoice for the certification fee. The Commercial Pesticide Technician certification fee is currently $450 and is valid for 3 years. Certified commercial pesticide technicians represent the intermediate level between apprentices and certified commercial pesticide applicators. Technicians may apply pesticides in their certified category while working under the supervision of a certified commercial pesticide applicator. However, they cannot supervise pesticide operations, qualify a pesticide business for registration, or purchase restricted-use pesticides independently. Many technicians use this credential as a stepping stone toward becoming a certified commercial pesticide applicator. The Certified Commercial Pesticide Applicator credential represents the highest level of pesticide certification in New York. Certified applicators may independently apply pesticides, supervise technicians and apprentices, purchase and use restricted-use pesticides within their certification categories, ensure compliance with pesticide laws and regulations, and serve as the qualifying individual for a registered pesticide business. Applicants must meet one of several experience pathways established by the department. The most common pathway is 1 year of verifiable experience as a certified commercial pesticide technician, along with 12 hours of approved category-specific recertification training. Applicants may also qualify with 2 years of verifiable experience as a technician, 3 years of full-time experience as an apprentice, certain qualifying education combined with experience, or certification from a reciprocal state, when applicable. With the exception of reciprocity, applicants must also pass the New York Core examination and the appropriate category examination if they have not already done so. The Commercial Pesticide Applicator certification fee is currently $450 for the first certification category. Each additional certification category currently costs $150. Commercial certifications are valid for 3 years. To prepare for the certification examinations, applicants should study the New York Core Manual and the appropriate category manuals available through the Cornell University bookstore. Many applicants also attend department-approved training courses offered by Cornell Cooperative Extension, industry associations, and approved private training providers. Once certified, commercial technicians and commercial applicators must maintain their certifications through New York's recertification program. Most applicators satisfy this requirement by earning continuing education credits during their 3-year certification cycle, although recertification examinations are also available. Anyone who wants to operate a commercial pest control company in New York must also register the business with the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation as a pesticide business. The business must employ at least one certified commercial pesticide applicator in every category of pesticide application services offered by the company. The responsible applicator must actively supervise pesticide operations and ensure compliance with all New York pesticide laws and regulations. In summary, New York follows a 3-level certification system. Most individuals begin as apprentices working under the supervision of a certified commercial pesticide applicator. After completing a department-approved 30-hour training course or meeting another qualifying pathway, applicants may become certified commercial pesticide technicians by passing the core examination and one category examination. After gaining the required field experience, technicians may advance to become certified commercial pesticide applicators. For the most current certification information, please visit the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation website. Links are provided in the description below. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out our other videos where we provide valuable tips to help you grow your contractor business.